So for this video, we will talk about how to solve rational equation. So what is a rational equations? A rational equation is an equation indicating that two expressions with at least one term written as a fraction are equal. So automatic, if nakita kayo ng polynomials that is expressed in quotient or expressed as a quotient and both expression are equal, okay, it is considered po as a rational equation. So yung first expression which is considered as a rational function and yung another expression which is considered as a rational function, ang tawag po natin doon ay rational equation. Once na sila ay mag-equal. Okay, so paano tayo mag-solve ng rational equations? So we can use the CRAM method or the CRAM method. So C stands for clear all the fractions. So, or simply, eliminate lang natin yung denominator. So, para magawa yon is kailangan nyo lang kunin yung LCD ng dalawang terms. Okay? So, and then yung LCD na yon, i-multiply nyo lang doon sa both side ng ating equation. So, mag-multiply ka sa left side at saka sa right side gamit yung LCD ng dalawang terms. For R naman, R stands for remove all the grouping symbols if there is any. So, kung meron tayong mga parentheses, meron tayong mga bracket or braces, pwede natin yung i-remove by performing different operations. Pero ang pinaka-accurate or nagagamit po dito sa ating CRAM method is yung product, operation ng product para ma-remove natin yung grouping symbol. A naman stands for add or subtract similar terms. So, alam naman natin yung similar or like terms. So, kung pareha sila ng literal coefficient, so pwede po silang i-combine. So, pero kung magkaiba sila ng literal coefficient or ng variable, hindi po natin sila pwedeng i-add or hindi natin sila pwedeng i-subtract. And then for the last letter M, multiply or divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of the variable, leaving only the variable on the left side of the equation with coefficient equal to 1, then check the result. So parang ganito lang po yung sa letter M, multiply or divide. So pero ang pinaka nagagamit po dyan is yung divide. Like for example, we have here 2x is equal to -4. So, para ma-apply po natin tong M na method, multiply or divide both sides by the numerical coefficient on the of the variable, leaving only the variable on the left side of the equation with coefficient 1. Okay, so 1 po yan. Okay, so ang gawin nyo lang is divide both sides by the numerical coefficient ni 2x ay 2. So, kung nag-divide ka dyan ng 2, ganun din po sa kabila. And then leaving this side, this left side, equivalent to 1 po yung coefficient niya. Kasi po, 2 divided by 2 is equivalent to 1. So, magiging x is equal to -2. Okay? And then, after po ng CRAM method na yan, sabi dito ay check the result. So, i-check natin yung result kasi nga sabi natin para masabi ng rational equation, dapat yung dalawang expressions or dalawang term po ay equal. So, dun sa checking ng result, pag nakita natin ay okay, nag-equal po yung dalawang expression, then it is a rational equation and yung x or yung solution x natin na ginamit, that is the right value of x or right solution for that equation. So, let's have an example. Let's solve for x or what is the solution in the equation x plus 5 over 2x is equal to 3 over 3. Okay, so hanapin natin yung value ng x niya and then check natin yung result kung sila ay equal. Then, kung nag-equal sila, therefore, it is a rational equation. So, here is our given, tama, x plus 5 over 2x is equal to 3. So, unang-una po ay gamitin natin yung C, clear all the fraction by getting the LCD. And yung LCD, i-multiply natin sa dalawang terms na yan or expression na yan. So, pag LCD po nila, just multiply lang or i-copy nyo lang or pagtabihin nyo lang or get the product ng denominator. So, we have 2x multiply to 4. Okay? So, kung mag-multiply ka dito ng 2x multiply to 4, dapat ganun din dito sa may right side. Multiply ka din ng 2x multiply to 4. Saan galing po yung 2x multiply to 4? Yan po yung LCD ni 2x at saka ni 4. So, hindi ko na siya ginawang 2x times 4 is 8x para mas madali nating makita ano yung pwede nating i-cancel. And pag na-cancel kasi natin, makikita na agad natin kung ano yung result or ano yung maiiwan dyan. Okay? So, we have 2x multiplied to 4. That is the LCD. 2x multiplied to 4, multiply natin sa side na to, sa my left side. So, ang matitira po dyan is 2x at saka 2x ay makakancel kasi same naman sila ng term that is equivalent to 1. Okay, so as long as may nakita kayo sa numerator at denominator na parehas and product po yung kanilang operation, so pwede nyo silang i-cancel. So ano yung mga naiwan? Ang mga naiwan po na number or terms ay 4 at saka x plus 5. So we have here 4 multiplied to x plus 5. Okay, equals, don't forget to put equals sign kasi nga po equation po sila. Now, dito naman sa kabila, 3 over 4 multiplied to 2x times 4. So, same thing na naman tayo, same term. 4 sa numerator, ganun din may 4 din sa denominator. Ang operation po ay multiplication, so pwede silang i-cancel. So, leaving the expression as 2 multiplied to 3. So, we have 2x multiplied to 3 or 3 multiplied to 2x. So, in that process, in that step, na-eliminate na po natin yung fraction or wala na tayong denominator. So, let's proceed to R. Remove the grouping symbol. As you can see, meron tayong parenthesis sa my left side, ganun din sa right side. So, remove lang natin gamit yung product. So, kita nyo naman ang pinaka-applicable na operation dyan is the product. So, we have to multiply 4 times x is 4x. 4 multiplied to 5, that is 20. Distributive property. Ganon din sa kabila, we have 2x multiplied to 3, that is 6x. That is removing the grouping symbol. And then letter A stands for add or subtract similar term. Pero make it sure lang lahat ng may mga x or variable natin or mga literal coefficient na x, lagay natin sa left side or transpose natin sa left side, and lahat ng mga constant, doon naman po tayo sa may right side. So we have here 4x, lipat natin sa 6x sa kabila, magiging negative 6x equals to 20, lipat natin sa kabila kasi constant siya. So we have negative 20. Okay, yan po yung A natin sa CRAM. And then, combine na natin. We have 4x minus 2x is negative 2x is equal to negative 20. Okay? So, last step natin in our method is yung M, multiply or divide both side by the numerical coefficient ng variable na natin na nasa my left side. So, ang numerical coefficient po ng ating variable x is negative 2. So, yan po yung i-divide natin sa both side. And then, pwede natin itong makancel. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is equivalent to 1. Hindi naman natin siya isinusulat. And then, copy lang natin yung x. And then, is equal to negative 20 divided by negative 2. That is positive 10. That is our solution for this equation. Okay, the solution is x is equal to 10. Now, let's do the checking. So, para ma-check natin kung rational equation ba sila, dapat po ay mag-equal yung first expression at saka yung second expression once na ginamit natin yung solution x which is 10. So, checking tayo. So, just copy the given equation. X plus 5 over 2x equals to 3 over 4. Okay? So, palit natin yung x ng 10, which is yung solution natin. Oops. Sorry. So, we have here, palit natin yung mga x na meron dito ng 10. So, we have x plus 5. So, we have 10 plus 5 over 2 times x, which is 10 po. Equals to 3 over 4. Okay? So, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Over 2 times 10 is equal to 20 equals 3 over 4. So, meron pong lowest term pa yung 15 over 20, so hindi pa yan final answer. So, pareha silang divisible by 5. Okay, divisible by 5 po yung 15 at saka yung 20, so pwede natin siyang i-lowest term. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3 over 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then, copy natin to equals 3 over 4. So as you can see, both expressions, first expression at second expression are equal. So meaning our solution for here is 10 and it is a rational equation. Since both expression ay equals. Rational equation or rational equations. Ayan. Let's proceed to another example. How about this one? Ayan, solve for x in the equation x plus 2 over x plus 4 equals x minus 2 over x plus 4. X plus 2 rather. Okay, so let's use again the CRAM method. So, clear all the fraction. Kunin nyo lang yung LCD nila. So, combine nyo lang siya, pwede naman na yun. Okay, x plus 4 times x plus 2 para hindi na kayo mag-simplify pa ng mag-simplify ng LCD. Just simply copy their denominator kapag nakita nyo naman sila na magkaiba ng denominator. Okay? So, x plus 4 times x plus 2, that is the LCD. So, multiply natin tong LCD natin sa first expression. So, leaving the expression or the value as, ayan, so pwede silang ma-cancel kasi parehas naman po sila. Ang natira po ay x plus 2 multiply to x plus 2. Ayan, so lagyan na din natin ng open and close parenthesis. Equals, sa kabila naman, itong LCD multiply natin sa second expression. So, pwede natin i-cancel sa x plus 2 here at saka x plus 2 here. And then, ang natira po ay x minus 2 multiply to x plus 4. Ayan, so yung dalawang yan natira na yan po yung ilalagay natin dito sa may second row natin ng solution. And then after nun, or remove all the grouping symbol by applying product. So, okay, so FOIL method dito tayo pwedeng magamit. So, we have x squared, x times 2 is 2x, and then 2 times x is 2x again, and then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Equals, x times x is x squared, x times 4 is positive 4x, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and the negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. So, kung meron kayong pwedeng i-combine na, so pwede nyo naman na i-combine. We have x squared, 2x plus 2x is positive 4x plus 4 equals x squared, 4x minus 2x is positive 2x minus 8. Okay? And then remember, always make it sure na lahat ng mga x, may mga variable x or literal coefficient na x, nasa may left side siya nakalagay. And then lahat ng constant, diba? Yung mga walang variable, lipat natin sa may right side. So we have here x squared. Lipat natin tong x squared sa kabila, negative x squared. Copy 4x. Lipat natin tong positive 2x sa kabila, magiging negative 2x. Equals, negative 8, copy lang natin kasi nasa right side naman na siya. And then itong 4, lipat natin sa kabila, so magiging negative 4 kasi po, lahat ng constant ilalagay natin sa may right side. Then after nun, kung merong pwedeng i-combine, i-add or subtract, gawin na natin. So, x squared minus x squared, that is 0. So, cancel na po yan. 4x minus 2x, pwede silang i-combine kasi same term po sila. So, we have positive 2x equals negative 8 minus 4, that is negative 12. Okay, last procedure or last step natin is M, multiply or divide both sides by the numerical coefficient. Ang numerical coefficient po natin dito is positive 2, divide both sides, diba? So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, magiging x na lang dito equals negative 12 divided by 2, we have negative 6. So, that is our solution for this equation. X is equal to negative 6. Now, gamitin natin tong negative 6 na to check the result kung equal ba yung ating expression or equal ba yung ating given. So, kapag nag-equal po sila, therefore, the solution negative 6 ay correct or nag-fit doon sa ating equation and it is considered as rational equation kung mag-equal yung dalawang expression. So, let's copy the given. Magpalit lang ako ng color ng pen natin. So, we have to do checking. Just copy the given x plus 2 over x plus 4 equals x minus 2 over x plus 2. So, palitan natin lahat ng mga x ng negative 6. Kasi yan po yung solution natin for our equation. So we have negative 6 plus 2 over negative 6 plus 4 equals x palitan ng negative 6, we have negative 2. X palitan ng negative 6, we have positive 2 here. Okay? After nun, simplify lang natin. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4 over negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2 equals negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8 over negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. So, simplify lang natin. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. Okay, positive 2 equals negative 8 divided by negative 4, that is positive 2. And as you can see, they are equal. Therefore, the solution negative 6 is fit doon sa ating equation. That's why it is considered as rational equation. Let's proceed to last example natin. How about if the given equation is this? Find the solution of 1 over 1 plus 2 over x plus 4 is equal to 1 over x plus 2 over 2. So, if i-observe natin, yung ating given po ay masyadong complex. So, masabi ko na complex siya, complex na rational function siya is because we have 2 or more numerator. Meron din tayong 2 or more denominator. Ito yung first numerator, di ba? And ito yung second numerator. Tama po ba? Meron tayong first na denominator and meron tayong pangalawang denominator. So, dyan pala nakikita agad natin na complex yung ating given. Ganon din sa kabilang side, di ba? Meron tayong first numerator, may second numerator tayo. Meron tayong first denominator, meron tayong second denominator. So, complex po yung ating situation ngayon. So, anong gagawin kapag ganyan, ma'am, na merong dalawa or higit pang number ng numerator at denominator? Okay? So, ang gagawin lang po natin dyan is you need to transform or simplify yung ating equation para maging single fraction. So, kailangan yung gawing single fraction po yung ating given equation. Ano ibig sabihin ng single fraction? Meaning, dapat meron lang tayong isang numerator, meron lang tayong isang denominator sa bawat expression. Okay? So, para magawa yun, punta lang kayo sa may denominator. Ayan. So, simplify lang natin yan. I-add natin yan. So, if i-add po natin yung 1 plus 2 over x, magiging ganito po siya. 1 plus 2 over x. Di ba pag nag-add tayo ng fraction na magkaiba ang denominator, kinukuha natin yung LCD. So, itong si whole number na 1, ang kanyang denominator po is 1. So, ang LCD ni 1 at saka ni x ay 1 times x ay x. So, yan po yung kanilang LCD. Kasi ganun tayo kumuha ng LCD, di ba? So, pag hindi natin alam, ang ginagawa natin ay minumultiply na lang natin. Kung magkaiba po yung denominator, minumultiply na lang natin yung kanilang denominator to get the LCD. So, we have 1 times x is x. And then, x divided by 1 is x po. Okay, again, x divided by 1 is x multiplied to 1, that is x pa rin. Okay, x divided by 1 is x multiplied to the numerator, which is 1, is still x po. And then, copy natin yung operation na plus. Ayan po yung operation na plus. And then, yung pangalawa naman na fraction, x divided by x is 1. Okay, x divided by x is 1. Multiply to numerator, which is 2. The answer is 2. Again, x divided by x is 1. Multiply to 2. The answer is 2. So, kung i-combine po natin tong 1 plus 2 over x, the answer po dyan is x plus 2 over x. So, lagay po natin to. We have to copy 1 over. Ang answer po dito pag sinimplify natin or kinombine ay x plus 2 over x. Okay? And then, copy natin yung kasunod na term, which is plus 4 equals 1 over x plus 2 over 2. So, as you can see, yung denominator natin dito sa first expression ay parehas sa dito, di ba? Okay, parehas na po siya dyan. Okay? Ngayon, isimplify pa natin yan kasi nga kailangan natin ay single fraction, meaning isa lang ang numerator, isa lang ang denominator. Okay? So, para magawa po yan, gamitin natin dito, i-apply natin dito yung rule natin kung paano tayo mag-divide ng fraction. Okay? Pag nag-divide tayo ng fraction, ang ginagawa natin is just copy the numerator and then change the operation division into multiplication and then get the reciprocal noong denominator. So here, ang numerator po natin is 1, ang denominator natin is yung x plus 2 over x. Okay, so simplify natin yun applying the division of fraction. Copy the numerator which is 1. Palitan natin yung division ng multiplication and then get the reciprocal of denominator. Anong reciprocal? Baliktarin nyo lang. So, magiging x over x plus 2. Okay? Reciprocal po ng denominator natin. And then, just copy 4 plus 4 equals, ganun din ang gawin nyo dito para maging single fraction po sila. Apply nyo lang yung division ng fraction. So, copy the numerator which is 1 and then change yung division symbol or division operation into multiplication and then get the reciprocal ni denominator. So, ano bang reciprocal ni x plus 2 over 2? Baliktarin nyo lang, magiging 2 over x plus 2. Okay? And then after nun, simplify nyo lang para mas makita natin yung single fraction. So, magiging 1 times x is x and then copy lang natin yung denominator na x plus 2. And then copy natin yung plus 4 equals 1 times 2 ulit is 2 over copy lang natin yung denominator na x plus 2. Okay. So, as you can see, single fraction na po siya kasi isa lang ang numerator, isa lang ang denominator. Ganun din sa kabila, isa lang ang numerator, isa ang denominator. That's why it is now single fraction. Katulad na siya nung mga first example and second example natin. After po nun, pwede na nating gamitan siya ng CRAM method para ma-simplify natin or ma-find natin yung solution niya na x. Okay, so I'm going to change my pen lang. Ayan, so we have here x over x plus 2. Gamitin natin yung single fraction plus 4 equals to 2 over x plus 2. So, CRAM method, as you can see, yung mga denominator natin is magkapares, di ba? X plus 2 to, x plus 2 din to. So, ang kanilang least common denominator, LCD, is only x plus 2. Okay? So, kasi same lang naman po sila ng denominator. So, ang pinaka-common denominator lang po nila is x plus 2. Unlike ng mga sa first example and second example, magkaiba po kasi yung kanilang denominator, kaya minumultiply natin. In our case, parehas po ang kanilang denominator. So, ang kukunin nyo lang is yung isang denominator which is x plus 2. So, we have here also x plus 2. So, multiply natin yung x plus 2 dito sa first term. So, magiging cancel to, di ba? And cancel to kabila. So, magiging x na lang po ang matitira. Another one, x plus 2 times positive 4. So, we have positive 4 times x plus 2. Okay? Equals, sa kabila naman tayo, x plus 2 times 2 over x plus 2. Cancel po yung dalawa. Ang matitira na lang po is 2. Again, x plus 2, which is the LCD, multiply nyo dito sa my first term. Yan muna. Ang naiwan po dyan is x na lang. And then x plus 2, multiply nyo sa pangalawang term. So we have 4 multiply to x plus 2. And then equals, cancel to, cancel, and natira na lang po is 2. And then simplify natin, remove the grouping symbol. Kung meron, we have x plus 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is positive 8 equals 2. Then after nun, lahat ng mga constant sa may right side ilagay. Lahat na may mga variable or literal coefficient, lagay natin sa my left side. So we have here x plus 4x is equal to 2. Lipat natin yung 8 sa kabila, magiging negative 8 po tayo. And then combine natin or add, subtract, similar terms. So we have here 5x. Kasi x plus 4x is 5x is equal to 2 minus 8 is we have negative 6. Another one is, last thing to do is yung multiply or divide both side by the numerical coefficient, which is 5. And then cancel natin yan para it's because that is 1. We have x here and then negative 6 over 5. So that is our solution sa ating equation. Now, don't forget the checking. Okay, so magche-checking po tayo. I'm going to change my pen lang para mas makita nyo. So we have to do the checking. Okay, so for the checking, copy lang. Ang gamitin na po natin is yung single fraction. Kasi kung ang gagamitin nyo po is yung original given, medyo mahirap. Kasi nga po, complex siya. So, gamitin na po natin yung single fraction. Ito po yung single fraction natin. So, we have here x over x plus 2 plus 4 equals 2 over x plus 2. Ayan. So, palitan natin lahat ng x ng negative 6 over 5. So, we have here negative 6 over 5 over negative 6 over 5 plus 2 plus 4 equals 2 over negative 6 over 5 plus 2. Again, lahat ng x pinalitan ng negative 6 over 5. The rest, copy lang. Okay, simplify natin. Ito muna ang isimplify po muna natin, no? Okay? So, we have here negative 6 over 5 over negative 6 over 5 plus 2. The answer po dyan is 4 over 5. You can use your calculator to double check. And then, plus 4, kinapi ko lang po ito, equals 2 over negative 6 over 5 plus 2. It is also 4 over 5. Okay? And then after nun, simplify pa rin po natin to. Gamitin natin yung division of fraction. So we have to copy negative 6 over 5 kasi yan po yung numerator. Palitan yung division operation ng multiplication and then get the reciprocal ng 4 over 5. Ang reciprocal po niya is 5 over 4. Okay? So we have here plus 4 equals, ganun din dito. Copy the numerator 2. Change the operation into multiplication, and then 4 over 5 reciprocal is 5 over 4. Okay? Sige, pero siguro natin i-erase yung mga nasa unahan para meron tayong space dito. Ayan, erase lang po natin. Saglit. Yan, so pwede na siguro yan. Okay, so we have here negative, ito na po tayo, negative 6 over 5 multiply to 5 over 4. The answer po is negative 30 over 20. Okay, plus 4, just copy, equals 2 times 5 over 4, that is, tama po ba? That is positive 10. Okay, positive 10 over 4 po. Okay? So, and then after nun, simplify pa natin to, pero siyang i-combine, di ba? So, negative 30 over 20 plus 4, that is 50 over 20. So, you can check your calculator to double check, di ba? So, negative 30 over 20 plus 4 is equal to 50 over 20 equals to 10 over 4. Okay? Again, meron pa po silang lowest term kasi si 50 at saka si 20 divisible by 10. Ito naman pong si 10 at saka 4 divisible pareha sila by 2. Simplify natin. 50 divided by 10 is 5. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Equals, divisible sila parehas by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, as you can see, 5 over 2 is equal to 5 over 2. So, they are equal. The two expressions are equal. So, gamit itong solution x na to, which is negative 6 over 4. Nung sinek natin yung result, equal sila. Therefore, this is a rational equation. So, thank you so much for watching. So, I hope na you learned a lot in this video. If you have question, you can write your question on the comment box. Thank you.